नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीप नमोस्तुते।
Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namah. In a career spanning more than 2.5 decades as an educator, I have been witnessed quite a few tragedies. The disruptive 2008 economic crisis, the horror-filled 26 November attack to name a few. But quite frankly, 2020 came out of the syllabus. A pandemic beyond the wildest of our dreams, affecting all on this earth. Continents after continents fell victim to this COVID-19's wrath. Yes, COVID-19, that is the name we have given to our nightmare as we constantly try to figure out the head and tail of this invisible enemy. Adversaries have always brought the best out of us. India decided to be Atmanirbhar, and Atmanirbhar was what Chinmaya Vidyalaya has been for years. Being there for children when they were looking up to us for guidance, to worshipping Almighty in the festivals, celebrating joys together and thanking Lord for this valuable life. Chinmaya Vidyalaya has stood the test of time again. I, Saraswati Mahapatra, on behalf of the entire Chinmaya fraternity, warmly welcome you all to our 29th annual day celebration. Let us commemorate this auspicious occasion with invocation prayer.
शहनो भुनक्तु शह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय स्वप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगज्जिताय नागाननाय श्रुतियाज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीश्रुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओं श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओं।
Now, let me introduce all the dignitaries present with us on this wonderful occasion. We feel honored to have with us Urmi Sri Vedamatta, an eminent literary personality of Odisha. Urmi Sri ma'am is a PhD degree holder from Utkal University. currently working as an assistant professor, Department of English, Ravenshaw University. She is also the coordinator, Center for Translation and Digital Humanities, Ravenshaw Universities. Along with teaching, she had worked as copy editor in prestigious English journals Hindustan Times and New India Express. We are glad to have you, ma'am. We are very proud to have with us one of our very own alumni, Sanjita Mahapatra, as our guest of honor. Sanjita has been excellent throughout the educational career. After completing her BTech Mechanical Engineering, she joined RSP and worked diligently as an assistant manager, earning a name for herself in her field. A spark we all saw in her as a child now has struck a bolt of lightning by securing 10th rank in Civil Service Examination 2019. We are really happy to get you, Sanjita, as our guest of honor on this occasion. We also have with us Reverend Sri Sankar Tripathi, President Vidyalaya Managing Committee. Sir is a renowned educationist, eminent speaker, and a great source of inspiration for all of us. We also have with us Reverend Sri Ramakanta Ponda, Secretary Vidyalaya Managing Committee, an ardent devotee of Pujya Swami Chinmayananda Ji, and a constant supporting pillar for the entire Chinmay Mission, Rourkela. Also, we have with us Brahmacharini Pratibha Chaitanya Ji, Acharya Chinmay Mission, Rourkela. We also have with us one of the longest serving members Chinmay Vidyalaya chair. She is none other than our principal, Srimati Sarmistra Kavisampati. With about 3 decades of teaching experience and best principal hours across the state, to her credit, she has infused the work of CCMT Education Cell with great enthusiasm. Under her flagmanship and excellent guidance, the Vidyalaya is marching ahead. Now, I cordially invite Reverend Sri Ramakanta Ponda, Secretary PFC, to deliver his welcome address. Over to Sri Ramakanta Ponda.
हरि ओम ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु नमः. Let us chant and invoke Pujya Gurudev. समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मवेद्वरम्. May Pujya Gurudev's grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. My Hari Om Pranam to Pujya Swamiji, Brahmacharini Pratibha Chaitanya Ji, Reverend Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Urmishri Vedamatta, from Ravenshaw College, English faculty, and guest of honor, Mrs. Sanjita Mahapatra, IAS trainee, who happens to be a student of our school, and we are truly proud of her. And President Sri Sankar Tripathi sir, Principal Sarmitra Madam, dear parents, teachers, our staffs and loving children, I welcome you all to this virtual annual day celebration of our school, Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium. The celebration will remain unique because it is being organized at the time of pandemic COVID-19, and the season itself is like that. We are maintaining a social distance with certain rules, systems, and we are living our life, and we are organizing the annual day. Also, I pray Lord and Gurudev for a prosperous new year, and we know what all happened in this current year for the COVID-19, how people were being suffered and people being isolated. the distance is being made, and we got separated from our relatives and friends. At this juncture or this annual day celebration, let us pray Lord and pray for the personalities and our near and dear ones who lost their lives during this COVID-19 pandemic. So we pray Lord, and truly we have to be very careful in this occasion. Now I congratulate our teachers for excellently conducting the online classes and guiding the students to keep them updated on academics. And simultaneously I congratulate our principal madam who has organized so many programs online to activate the students, and during the vacation it was being organized for the students so that they could participate in various activities, drama, cultural programs they participated. It is all available in YouTube. Students, you must have seen that, and parents have also seen that, how nicely it has been presented. And it was an endeavor on the part of our school so that our students will be keeping themselves alert and aware of various activities, along with regular academic activities, regular academic classes, which are becoming a burden on the students. So we have tried for that. The Chinmay Shunidhi program was launched by our school, and I sincerely tell the parents, and I also thank them for their timely cooperation in running the school as well as cooperating in online classes. We know that they have some difficulties. Some students are there, but all the students have also cooperated, and they tried their best to be attentive as well as regular in the online classes being conducted by school, and they have responded very nicely. And as we know, the government has declared that vaccines have come out, and it is to be operated in different states. But still, we have to be careful, and we have to abide by all the government rules being told, and like maintaining social distance and all. And it is nice that because of the thinness in the pandemic culture, now we have started our regular classes for class 10 and 12, though we have done it in part, keeping all care that nobody is affected or not that pandemic infection is there. So we again wish all the students, and let us pray Lord so that we grow into a new era coming out of this such situation. Certainly, as we know, we came across new experience through online classes and online activities. I wish and pray Lord that soon, very soon, we start our regular classes coming out of this situation. And once again, I welcome all of you, our parents, children, students of our school, to this annual day celebration. Hari Om.
Thank you, sir, for your beautiful words. Now, I would invite our principal, Srimati Shameshwar Kavisarpati, to present annual report for the year 2020. Over to Principal ma'am.
Hari Om. Om Sri Chinmay Sadgurave Namah. My humble pranam to all my gurus and leaders. Respected Chief Guest of the 29th Virtual Annual Day celebration of our Vidyalaya, Urmishri Vedamatta, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Revelsa University, Cuttack, Odisha. My dear Sanjita, IS trainee, the guest of honor of this occasion. Respected President Sir, Sri Sankar Tripathi, respected Secretary Sri Ramakant Panda, Pujya Brahmacharya Pratibhaji, dear parents and my dear students. Hari Om and Pranam to everybody. My love for all my dear students. दुःख रूपम वर्तमाने भाति तत् सत्यमेव हि मंगलम परिणामेतु भविष्यति न संशय. Which means it is true that what is happening in the present time is sorrowful, but in the end the result will be auspicious without any doubt. So I offer my gratitude before I proceed to all COVID warriors and salute them. We offer our condolence and salutation to all the warriors who laid down their lives so that we can have our life. With a positive spirit, we have already spent more than 10 months now without having a proper educational session during 2020 and 21. COVID-19 caused havoc beyond imagination. It has led to a dramatic loss of human life as well as wealth worldwide and presents an unprecedented challenge to public health, educational system, and the world of work. The economic and social disruption caused by this pandemic is devastating. The education sector of India as well as the world is badly affected by this. It has enforced the worldwide lockdown, creating very bad effect on the students' life. However, if you see the positive side, it has also worked as a catalyst for the educational institutions to grow and opt for platforms with the technologies which have not been used before. Lessons are planned so as to reach the students far away from school through online classes. Teachers have adopted the new method of teaching, seemingly difficult to cater to the needs of the new situation. Change is the law of life, said Swami Chinmayananda. If we are prepared for the unexpected, the unknown, then we can turn any calamity into an opportunity, any failure to success. I know you all can cope up with this new and difficult situation. This critical situation has made us take a step back and reflect on life and see life as a whole. We have understood to some extent that along with our intellectual development, we need to focus on our emotional as well as spiritual development to face such a difficult situation in our life. I assure all my dear parents that very soon the situation will be normal and our students will be at our physical custody. Standard 10 and 12 students are already there in the classrooms in the Vidyalaya with us. Our joy knows no bound to receive our dear students after a long time who are back again to the green surrounding of this Vidyalaya. Each dark night ends with a beautiful morning, bright sunrise. So the sun will soon rise, I believe. The difficult time will pass and everything will be auspicious. Chinmaya educational institutions are unique institutions in the nation today that impart value-based quality education to lakhs of students. Pujya Swami Chinmayananda's vision of blending Indian cultural values with modern education is the basis on which the entire Chinmaya brand has been developed. With the fragrance of the beautiful Indian culture, language and values, our children have become worthy citizens of the country. We are proud of being ambassadors of true education in the society, making consistent effort to make man-making, character building and giving life skills a center of education, not only loading our students' mind with information. With the blessings of God, Pujya Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda, Pujya Guruji, Swami Tejamayananda, Vijay Swami Swarupananda ji, we continue the great job of imparting knowledge since 1992. I prostrate here, late S.N. Kabishakpati, late N.C. Naik, late Dr. P.K. Ram, and many other respectable personalities who have been instrumental to establish as well as develop this institution to this level. We have now classes from nursery to standard 12 science and commerce, having 51 sections altogether. Our Vidyalaya has adopted ICSE syllabus, which makes the foundation of the students very strong in English, science, social studies as well. Today, after 28 years, we have 2,734 students on roll, 1,554 boys and 1,180 girls who are inspired, enthusiastic, confident, and culturally vibrant to proudly declare that we are Chinmaya children. The 12th batch of ISC Science and Commerce students will appear the 12th examination in the coming May 2021, most probably. There will be 162 students who will appear the ISC examination and 214 students will appear ICSE in coming May. I shall feel proud to inform the parents the academic balance sheet of 2019 that speaks the magic of our achievement in ICSE and ISC exam 2019. Lalitendu Jagatjyoti Mishra was the ICSE topper 2020 with 99.4% marks, which is a record in our history, followed by Advait Panda and Dibyaranjan Devuri with 99% and Dhanishta Tripathi and P. Nilima with 98.6% as second and third toppers of the Vidyalaya. Out of 220 students who appeared ICSE 2020, 94 students have secured 90% marks and above, 80 students between 80 to 89, 30 students 70 to 79%, and 14 students between 60 to 69%. Only 3 students scored below 60%. Our topper Lalitendu is the All Odisha topper in ICSE 2. 174 students out of 222 students have scored above 80% marks. This shows our quality of education. To mention about our plus 2 result in plus 2 science, Abhijit Panda with 98.25% marks was the topper in school as well as Rourkela. He was followed by Pratik Kumar Sahu with 97.75% and Subhakankhi Gukra and Arnab Santra with 94.75% as second and third topper respectively. In plus 2 commerce, Krishna Maharana with 92.5% marks was the topper of the Vidyalaya. She was followed by Ayush Goyal with 90% marks and Harsh Burman with 88% marks as second and third topper of the Vidyalaya. In ISC, 10 students got above 90% and 34 students scored above 80% mark. Our students are performing better in ISC, that is plus 2, over the period of time. Abhijit Panda, the topper of ISC of our Vidyalaya, is awarded the RSP and Government of Odisha awards during 15th August 2020. He has also crashed through IIT exam this year. So we congratulate this boy for his performance. We sincerely thank our enthusiastic teachers for being instrumental for such achievements during last so many years. We thank our parents for their cooperation and congratulate all our students for their wholehearted effort. Our excellence is not limited to the field of academics alone, but is expanded to all the fields of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. It provides a strong base to train our children in all leadership qualities. They have made us proud each year by being successful to enter into IITs, medical colleges, NITs, national law colleges, fashion designing courses, and several other professional courses. They have been proving themselves to be top achievers in the field of science research too. In the field of literature, song, painting, acting, sports, everywhere across the globe now Chinmaya Vidyalaya students are standing apart. I congratulate all of them. We are proud to inform all our students and parents that Sanjita Mahapatra, our ICSE topper of 2006, has made our Vidyalaya proud by securing 10th rank in All India basis in the Civil Services Examination 2020. It's a great achievement of us and a golden feather in our cap. We congratulate her and wish her a bright career. To name few other young achievers, I'd like to mention that Sai Satyam Pal, Divyaranjan Dehuri and Soumyaranjan Patra have qualified in the first phase of NTSC examination 2020 and they have made us proud. Our student Trishna Sahu of Standard 10, Susan Dandia of Standard 6 and Vishwajit Narayan of Standard 9 have been selected to participate in the Inspired Manak Award 2020-21 during this lockdown period only. They have been awarded with rupees 10,000 cash each to pursue their science project work further. Rakshit Kumar of Standard 1 has received gold medal in IMO. Adarsh Krishti of Standard 3 received a check of rupees 3,125 in NSO. Dhanishta Tripathi of Standard 10 has received gold medal along with a check of rupees 5,000 in IEO. Each year we conduct these Olympics at IMO, NSO, IEO as well as in computer and English, and many other students have also qualified and done excellent performance. I have taken only few names here. I congratulate everybody. Ranesh Podar of Standard 11 Commerce participated in All India Faber-Castell Art Competition 2019 and he won the competition across the country. He was awarded rupees 75,000 to be the winner. Saini Priyadarshini Jaina and Risika Bagh of Standard 1 and Chirantan Satpathy of Standard 2 were the all Odisha toppers of OSTSC in their respective classes among all Odisha ICSE schools, and many others also they have got the second and third ranks, and I congratulate everybody. Shraddha Sri Patra stood first in All Odisha online song competition organized by many organizations during this lockdown period. Omkar Mahapatra, Sharadipta Ghosh, Priyanshu Naik have won several awards in city as well as state level quiz competitions, and there are many other names also who are doing very well in quizzing. Tanvi Tejashwini Aditi Mishra made us proud to have won several awards in the field of debating. There are many other students who have been performing in an excellent manner in the non-academic fields to bring laurels for the Vidyalaya, and their names we are publishing in our Chinmaya Chetana, our school magazine, and it is going to the parents, and parents can see the names of the children and definitely give their feedback to encourage my children. We wish all of them greater success in the field. Art, dance, drama, song are part of our curriculum throughout the year, which encourage our children. During the lockdown period from March 2020 till date, we have observed each occasion virtually and in a different and beautiful manner. We have conducted several competitions on each occasion for our students virtually. Students participated enthusiastically in all occasions. We never gave them feeling of being away from us, and I thank all my parents and students for their cooperation during this difficult period. I thank the team which worked behind this to make us virtually enabled to do all this. I thank my alumni Radhakishore, who is pursuing his studies in Delhi University, to help us enthusiastically throughout for this. God bless him. We have all infrastructural facilities needed to give proper education to our children. Our teachers are technologically upgraded now to take online classes and run the virtual school, and school management has been always supporting us to do all this. Our teachers are undergoing several training programs during this lockdown period to upgrade themselves to face this challenge. I assure the parents of 10 and 12 students that we shall take all kind of care of the students to prepare them for the council examination they need not worry at all. Our team of teachers, office staff, helping staff is continuously making effort to serve the students. Our school management has been cooperative throughout to upgrade the institution to cater to the needs of the parents and the students. Together, we shall contribute to the field of education in an excellent manner. In spite of the lockdown, we have worked hard to stage excellent 29th annual day program, though virtually, in order to give a scope to our children to show their talent following all COVID guidelines strictly so that safely we can also enjoy this. I thank parents for their cooperation in this regard. Education lays the foundation of a nation. We are proud to be in this noble field and we are trying to deal with the most valuable wealth of nation, our children. The teachers, staff, with the cooperation of Chinmaya Seva Trust Rourkela and the Vidyalaya Managing Committee will still achieve success. Dear parents, we shall add more quality and this will surely improve ourselves to be the best school in the city as well as in the states. With vaccines available, we hope prosperity to be soon in the educational atmosphere of the state, just as spring is not far behind as winter is receding. With spring, the entire earth is going to bloom and smile. Similarly, our atmosphere will soon smile and our children will be back to us. So with this positive hope, I thank everybody once again. Let God bless all of us. Thank you everybody. Hari Om.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I invite our chief guest, Madam Urmi Sri Bedamatta, to speak few words of inspiration to all our students and encourage them on this great occasion. Over to Madam Urmi Sri Bedamatta.
Respected Principal, Mrs. Sarmishta Satpathy, respected teachers and dear students, I wish you all a very happy 2021. I'm honored to be speaking to you on the occasion of the 29th annual day celebrations of Chinmaya Vidyalaya. We have all been through, as Charles Dickens says, the worst of times. But this should fill us with gratitude because we are the ones to have been spared by 2020. In 2020, the earth showed clear signs of despair and asked us to take a leave of absence from the race of life. The earth reminded us that we have been acting in ways that made earth less life-friendly, and some of us just got in her way. But others like us have been spared not by chance, but for a reason. To remember and pray for the departed souls, as well as to prepare ourselves for a new age. After the season of darkness, as Dickens says, it is now the spring of hope. The hope comes from the magnificent prospects of living and participating in a digital world. For all of us teachers and students, we have just entered the world of digital education. There have been such interesting incidents of false starts, students ghosting classes, teachers staring at the screen helplessly, lost links, students and teachers multitasking while giving and taking classes. All of this has been a great cause of heartburn for teachers and a source of entertainment for students. We have also seen examples of the great Indian phenomenon of Jugaad, as when teachers and students tried innovative ways to take and attend online classes. So the past several days have been an experiment towards learning to read the signposts and finding our place, learning the behavioral norms, and honing our skills while operating in a digital realm. But it has been fun all along. At the same time, it also has been a wake-up call to change and adapt. This virtual annual day celebration is a good enough example. But what is it really that we are being called to do? Some say that it is time to adapt to a new normal. I feel it is time to return to the normal. to go back to the good old lessons of life. All of us read the world in different ways, and I wish to share with you the lessons I have acquired from my own readings of the world. Today, I have just 3 for you. Lesson 1, and some of it you may have heard many times over. Say, for example, it is time to slow down, pay more attention to yourself, exercise discernment about what is really necessary for a good and healthy life. Of course, yes. But above all, be real. That's your lesson 1. It means to stay true to the core values of life, that is honesty and integrity. Do not try to be someone else, but allow your best self to come forth in every little thing you do, in every interaction that you have. Don't get caught in the game of who is good and who is bad. Remember Kabir? बुरा जो देखण में चला बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो मन खोजा अपना तो मुझसे बुरा न कोई. This is a practical advice which enables us to see a friend in every person we meet and disarm those who approach us with hostility. Lesson 2. Spend time with yourself. Learn how to enjoy your own company and do not do what you would not like others to see you do. I can almost hear some of you say, Mama, don't preach, for I am a mother of 2 teenagers. But I say this as a guardian, as a teacher, as an elder. We want our youngsters to learn to keep themselves safe. So let's talk about rules. Rules are meant to be broken, but only as long as it enables you to achieve a higher purpose in life. But that's again a rule. For young aspiring students, rules are often a constriction, but rules are meant to be followed. COVID has been a great teacher in this regard. Just as traffic rules make travel easy and safe, similarly, following the rules of life helps you navigate the dangers of life. In the digital world, we would call these rules digital etiquette, which includes awareness of what to say, how much to say. A youth which acts safe, that is, takes care of his or her own life, keeps the family safe, keeps the country safe. My last and shortest lesson, but perhaps the most exciting as well as the most difficult to follow, do it yourself, or what you call DIY. Whether it is making your own bed or cleaning your own room, cleaning your own toilet, filling your own bottles, and even cooking your own food. A borrowed advice, I got it from my parents. But as you complete these tasks on a daily basis, you would have learnt invaluable strategies of organizing your own life. Once you have done that, you will get enough opportunities to change others' lives and change the world. I will leave you with this much. I thank you all for listening and express my gratitude for giving me an opportunity to be a part of your world, however brief it may have been. Thank you all. Vande Utkala Janani.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have come to the concluding part of our formal meeting. Honorary Chief Guest, Urmishri Vedamatta and other dignitaries, Principal Ma'am, respected parents, my dear students and colleagues. I regard it as an honor and privilege to extend vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the entire Chinmaya fraternity, I would extend my hearty gratitude to our Chief Guest, Urmishri Vedamatta, for making our day great. May I thank Reverend Sri Ramakanta Pandit for their valuable presence and constant support. I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am for her guidance and support throughout. I extend my hearty thanks to our Student Council for their sincere involvement and effort. I thank all the participants for their sportsmanship. May I thank all the parents and students for their encouragement. I thank my colleagues and entire staff for their untiring effort. Last but not the least, I thank our alumni Radha Kishore Das for compiling the entire program beautifully and providing digital support and solution to all of us. I also thank Sri Rajanikanta Mishra and his team for providing recording facility. Once more I thank all of you for your support and involvement. Let us pray God for a healthy and safe life for each and every one of us. May the Almighty bless all of us. Hari Om.
Life never seems to be the way we want it to be.
But we live it in the best way we can.
There's no perfect life, but we can fill it with perfect moments. Hari Om, I'm Shivani Prasad Dash.
I'm Astha Agarwal.
And I am Jayashree Priyadarshini.
We welcome you to the 29th annual day celebration of our school.
The global impact of COVID-19 caused by the novel coronavirus has caused much change in the lives of each and every person. It has led to a dramatic loss of human lives worldwide.
At such times, there are many people in the country who are working selflessly to serve people. These people are true Corona warriors.
We just can't thank them enough for what they have done, even if we risk our own lives. A massive respect, a heartfelt thanks, and a big salute to all those Corona warriors who didn't even leave a single chance to serve the nation.
Whenever you feel like the hope is gone, just look at yourself, be strong, and finally you will see that a hero lies within you.
We just can't play the blame game for the rest of our life. We need to change and evolve and overcome this situation.
Whatever may come, the show must go on. Let's celebrate this moment. Every day comes with a new surprise. We shouldn't hesitate to face each day's surprise.
Whether it comes with joy or with sorrow, it opens a new place in our hearts.
Well, today we have lots of surprises for all of you. So let's start the function with a welcome dance by the students of Standard 6.
स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं
स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं
जीने लगे फिर से हम सुस्वागतम 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 घर मंदिर से नहीं वो कम तुम रख दो जाके कदम सारी दुनिया बिछाएगी दिल अपना बिछाएंगे हम सुस्वागतम 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 घर मंदिर से नहीं वो कम तुम रख दो जाके कदम सारी दुनिया बिछाएगी दिल अपना बिछाएंगे हम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम
It was indeed an excellent performance. Ganesh Vandana, as an opening address, we value the tradition and philosophy of invoking Lord Ganesha, the removal of all obstacles.
Pallavi literally means blossoming. It starts with the slow and graceful movements of eyes, neck, arms, and legs. It is choreographed with a specific raga known as the Vasanta Raga. Now let's see the combined performance of Vasanta Pallavi and Ganesh Vandana by the students of our Vidyalaya and guided by future teacher.
भगवान विष्णु झरिका मृदङ्गपटः भेरी शङ्खध्वनि वीणा डम्बरु मृदङ्गमधुरी घण्टारवोद्धर्धरि तम्बूराक्रीतकरताळे काहाळि ताळध्वज एते सत्यसुभूतसहितं वन्तु ते
भारत हेउछि देशभक्त मानक देश। देशप्रीति देखाई अनेक भक्त निज प्राण बलि देइछन्। ताकु भक्ति प्रति श्रद्धांजलि देवा उद्देश्य रे हम विद्यालय छात्र छात्री माने एक देशात्मबोधक संगीत प्रदर्शन करिया आसंतु समस्त।
स्वाति तारा सीता वल्लभ दुर्गावती लाडली माई मीरा हरणी बुके देखाई गए सारणी ताहरी लागी परण देवा लक्ष्मीवतारा सेई माटी मोमा सेई माटी मोमा सेई माटी मोमा सेई माटी मोमा चाहर धूरी बाजिले देवे उल्लासी उठे प्राण जाति जाति का कुसुम फूटे छूटे कुकीरा गाना श्यामल तोरू लहरा लता कुंज बना छाया ताहरी लागी परण देवा लक्ष्मीवतारा सेई माटी मोमा 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 सेई माटी मोमा
It was an amazing performance.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे सारे जग के आंख के तारे बच्चे मन के सच्चे Really, small children are the incarnation of the divine God. Their innocence and purity reflects divinity. As we feel seeing a colorful flower, we feel happy and joyful seeing a child and his twinkling eyes.
Are you wondering why are we talking about a child? Yes, it's the time for the performance of our nursery kids. Now, let's welcome the nursery children of our school with a big round of applause.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie woogie, let's do the boogie woogie and turn yourself about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie woogie, let's do the boogie woogie and turn yourself about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie woogie, let's do the boogie woogie and turn yourself about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie woogie, let's do the boogie woogie and turn yourself about. Do the boogie woogie, do the boogie woogie, do the boogie woogie and turn yourself about.
What a marvelous performance it was! Our motherland. It is beautiful. Whatever you see, whenever you see, you will find beauty. The beauty of nature can't be defined in words. So, to enjoy the bounties of nature, let's welcome the students of Standard 1 who will perform a Bengali dance performance.
नाचो झुम 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 नाचो रे धितांग धितांग मादल बाजे ठुमक ठुमक नाचो कोइना ठुमक ठुमक नाचो रे झुम झुम कोइना नाचो झुम 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 नाचो रे आकाश जुड़े चाँदेर आलोय ज्योत्स्ना लुटाए आकाश जुड़े चाँदेर आलोय ज्योत्स्ना लुटाए फागुने মনের কোণে রং লেগেছে প্রেমের পোড়া মনের কোণে রং লেগেছে প্রেমের পোড়া আগুনে তোর নাচের তালে বুকের মাঝে ঝোড়ো মেঘের ঘুম 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 ঝুমঝুম কইনা নাচো ঝুম 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 নাচো রে धितांग धितांग मादल बाजे ठुमक ठुमक नाचो कोइना ठुमक ठुमक नाचो रे झुम झुम कोइना नाचो झुम 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 नाचो रे মনের বনে ফুল ধরেছে তোর নাচনে মনের বনে ফুল ধরেছে তোর নাচনের মাতনে আখির কোণের মিষ্টি হাসির বান বিঁধেছে আখির কোণের মিষ্টি হাসির বান বিঁধেছে পরাণে তোর নাচের তালে মন দুলেছে দোদুল দোলায় হুম 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 ঝুমঝুম কইনা নাচো ঝুম 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 নাচো রে धितांग धितांग मादल बाजे ठुमक ठुमक नाचो कोइना ठुमक ठुमक नाचो रे झुम झुम कोइना नाचो झुम 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 नाचो रे
It was truly an excellent performance. Someone has said so beautifully, Our flag doesn't fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Our soldiers are truly our pride. They not only protect our borders but also provide selfless service to our nation. So let's pay them a tribute through a dance performance by the students of Standard 3.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। पम 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 मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। पम पम पम
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए,
दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। पम 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 पम। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो जय हो चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
ये दुनिया
एक
दुल्हन,
एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे, रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
It was indeed a very impressive performance. There are so many dance forms in this world: classical, western, folk, etc. Then there comes a dance form which is a fusion of classical steps and is a semi-classical dance. It is not that intricate and complex as that of a classical dance. So let's welcome on stage the students of class 11 who are going to perform a semi-classical dance in front of you all.
Dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na o dani der der tani tana der na o dani der der tani tana der na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में। मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, बोली घूम कर बता दे के मैं आ गई। मुझको लौटा के नाच ले, आजा नाच ले मेरी यार, तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार। हो नच ले मेरे यार, तू नच ले, अब तो लौटा है बाजार। सबको बुला के नच ले, आजा नच ले मेरे यार, तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार।
ताल से ताल मिला हो, ताल से ताल मिला, ताल से ताल मिला हो, ताल से
जमुना तट फेर लगाए मुरली बजाए गोपियों के संग रास रचाए मुरली बजैया रास रचैया शाम सलोना है
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
खनखनाक गोरी के कंगना आज छनननन छनछनाक पायल संग बाजे, सर पर चूनर ओढ़े निकले की आज राधिक लहरा लहरा के गोपियों संग।
आधा भी पीछे पीछे टान कोई खींचे खींचे मुरली से बरसाएगा सुरकड़।
धरती और वो गगन झूमेंगे संग संग, सब पे चढ़ेगा आज प्रेम रंग।
रंगी गुलाल होगा सोचो क्या हाल होगा, नाचेंगे प्रेम रोगी धम 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 धम
धम धम धातिलांग धातिलांग धिदकिट धिदकिट धिलांग, बाजे मृदंग धनाधन धन धनाधन बाजे, छम 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 छमाक झांझर झम झम झमाक, घुंघरू गम गम गमाक चमक चम चमाके।
बाजे रे बाजे रे बाजे रे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे।
it was.
Jayashri, can you describe me something about the Maharashtrian dance form?
Maharashtra is the land of scholars, saints and culture. Kondada is a way of expressing their gratitude to goddess Kondadamai by singing mythological stories of their creator.
The beauty and glamour of the Maharashtrian dance form is popular throughout the country and abroad. So, let's enjoy this dance performance by the students of Standard 12.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
शत्रु राह में मिले हमने, जब जब शमशीरें ताने है माए भवानी। नन आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी। हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है। अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे, तेरे चरण की शपथ मां जगदम्बे है माया भवानी। रोशनी भरी है, दान दिया भक्ति का, दान दिया शक्ति का, तूने ही तो झोलियां भरी।
जो भी बरसों बरसों तरसे थे, आई न होठों पे हंसी। अम्बे माता तेरी कृपा से मेरे घर में आई खुशी।
हम चट्टान से डटे कभी ना राह से हटे, हमने बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी। हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है। अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे, तेरे चरणों की शपथ मां जगदम्बे है माया भवानी।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा।